Hi there, we have this water bottle that fell down and broke, and I thought instead of throwing it away, since it's only the lid that's broken, I can turn it into something beautiful. And I thought I'm going to make a textured vase because I loved the shape and the pattern on the bottle. So it's a very quick DIY and you don't need a lot of things. For the first coat, I'm just using the paint, so don't add anything when you're starting. I am using a small brush because the details on the bottom, or rather the pattern on the bottom, requires detailed attention, and it made my work easier. Now that I'm done with the first coat, I'm going to prepare another mixture. And I'm going to use the paint, that is baking soda, and I'm also going to add some baking powder. And you ensure you get a good consistency that you're comfortable to work with. So I'll just add another coat, give it time to dry, and then I'll show you how I'm going to style it.